Welcome to Microsoft Teams News, where every month we go over some of the most important updates and improvements that come to the world of Microsoft Teams. This is February 2026. We have some amazing news for you, including something very important for Mac users. So let's dive right in. First up, meeting recaps just got more flexible. If you're using Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can now customize how your meeting recap summaries are generated. You can choose from ready-made templates or create your own format, depending on what matters most to you. This makes it easier to review meetings in a way that actually fits your workflow, instead of scrolling through a one-size-fits-all summary. Next up, a small but helpful navigation update. The Files tab in Channels has been renamed to Shared. Inside this tab, you will now find both files and links that were shared in the channel. This makes it clearer where to look when you're trying to find something that was posted earlier in a conversation. Moving on, notifications are also getting more informative. When you receive a channel message, mention, or reaction notification, Teams will now show a preview of the message itself. This lets you quickly understand the context before clicking through, which can save time and reduce unnecessary interruptions. This month, another useful addition is the ability to pin your Teams window on top of other apps. You can enable this from settings by selecting Pin Window on top. Once it's on, Teams stays visible above your other open windows. This is especially handy during calls or when you're actively chatting while working in other apps. Last but not least, finally, macOS users get a smoother screen sharing experience. Teams now uses native macOS Screen Picker when you share your screen or a specific window. This makes the sharing process more familiar and consistent with how screen sharing works across the rest of macOS. But that about brings us to the end of our news. What did you think? What other additions would you like to see coming to Microsoft Teams in the upcoming month? Let us know in the comments below. Hey, we release helpful Microsoft content like this month every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to learn more about the highest rated performance management software in the Microsoft Teams App Store, Teamflect, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.